रोहन पिंडो,
वॉर्ड नंबर
10, आल्दोना
आणि पंचायत.
पंचायत.
आणि तुमका कशें दिसता ह्या निवडणुकेन तुम्ही निवडून येयले आणि तुमका?
I feel proud because the people of my ward supported me. They stood by me even though I had two currently sitting punches. It was not easy, but results show that the people wanted a change and they chose me to be the change. Wouldn't want to say anything more, but only promise my people whoever voted for me that I will work with my best effort. No discrimination when it comes to development. Development will happen with the help of our MLA. Development will happen not only in my ward but also Khorji as a whole and Aldona as a whole. I would also like to thank our MLA, Advocate Carlos Alvarez Ferreira, for his support towards me. There are no words to describe how much I am grateful to him for giving me this opportunity to contest and also blessing me with his unconditional support. Thank you.